Fear the teeth between my thighs, carved from the flame of ancient times. I am the dark